All right, what's up everyone? Welcome to Surfside PPC marketing lesson number 9. So for lesson number 9, I'm going to go over how to set marketing goals. So a really simple strategy to set marketing goals and some things to keep in mind so that you can achieve your goals and continue to grow your business. So when it comes to marketing goals, I prefer to set monthly goals. I think it's the best way to set goals. If you're trying to set goals with too short of a period, it can be very difficult to do. And the main thing I like to do is focus on one key performance indicator and focus on something that's going to drive more results for your business. For example, let's say you focus on website traffic. If you start gaining more website traffic, it's going to help you grow your leads, it's going to help you grow your customer base, and ultimately it's going to help you grow your revenue. So that's kind of how I look at marketing goals. So I'm going to give you a quick 3-step strategy. So basically, one is start with a statistic you want to improve. Start with a key performance indicator. It could be something like YouTube video views. It could be something like your website traffic, anything like that. Something that is going to help you grow your business. So if you start with the statistic first, the next thing you want to do is choose a realistic monthly growth percentage. So when you're first getting started, it can be much easier to grow by 100%, 200%. Because let's say, for example, you're getting 1,000 page views on your website per month, you can definitely create an action plan for the month to grow that number exponentially compared to a website that has, let's say, 1 million page views per month, and you're just trying to grow by something like 10%. It's going to be a little bit more difficult to grow once you start to get to a certain level. But what you want to do is choose a realistic monthly growth percentage, look at how much you've grown over the previous month, and maybe set a higher goal than that, or look at creating some type of steady growth percentage that really makes the most sense for your business. So for me, a lot of times I'll just use 10%. I think 10% is a good growth percentage because if you continue to grow by 10% or more, it's going to make sure that you're continuing to grow your online business. So number 3, and this is probably the most important thing, is create a monthly plan to improve the statistic. So if you're trying to grow your website traffic, that means something like making sure that you're creating more content, sharing it out on social media better, seeing what has worked for you in the past and continuing to use those strategies. And if you're just getting started, what you really want to do is test a lot of different content types, test a lot of different ways to share your content. Maybe you haven't created any videos yet. Maybe you're not using any visuals, any great images that are going to help you grow your traffic. So something simple like a great Pinterest post can help you grow your traffic pretty well over the course of a month. So you want to create a monthly plan to improve the statistic that you're trying to improve. So for example, let's just say I'm getting 5,000 monthly video views. So I have 5,000 monthly video views on my channel. My percentage growth goal is going to be 10%. So by the next month, I want to have 5,500 video views on my channel for that month. So let's just say I'm going from April into May. So April, I have 5,000 monthly video views. And let's say in May, I want to get to 5,500. What you need to do is create an action plan and carry out an action plan to reach that goal. We recently just did a video about content strategy. You can look at that video. That's going to help you create more content for your business and ultimately grow your business. So just some quick tips to keep in mind. Choose one key performance indicator. Don't try to grow 10 different things at once. Choose one thing and you'll notice that other things are growing at the same time. Focus on a growth percentage that is realistic for your business. So look at your previous growth. Just look at your overall numbers and kind of find what is a good growth percentage for your business. So let's just say, for example, I got 1 million monthly page views on my website. To say I want to grow by 100% to get to 2 million monthly page views is a huge growth percentage. It's something I'm probably just not going to be able to accomplish. So look at your previous growth percentage. If I grew the previous month by 15%, then I'll take that as my percentage. And then you want to create a plan to actually grow. So usually a plan is going to involve some type of content strategy, a social media strategy. Maybe you're starting to get more into paid advertising. So kind of up your paid advertising strategy and make sure you have everything optimized. So don't focus on 10 different goals at once. It's going to be very difficult to accomplish whatever you're trying to accomplish. And make sure you stick to your action plan. Just focus on growing that one key performance indicator month over month, year after year, and your business will slowly grow. And that slow and steady growth will make you have a successful business. So pretty simple how to set marketing goals. Choose one key performance indicator, realistic growth, and then just create a plan and stick to that plan to make sure that you can continue to accomplish your marketing goals month after month.